Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Happy Sunday. Abangazi igama lami ngiJosie. I'm a storyteller. I narrate real life stories. Stories senzeke kuwe whether recently or years back. It doesn't matter as long as senzeke empilweni yakho. You can inbox me and then mina ngisendele number la wena ungathumela khona istory sakho. Mina ngize nendlebe wena uze nendaba. And guys, ngithanda ukubonga ne. Ngithanda ukubonga for the love and support. Subscribers abantu ababuya bazobukela mina lana ngibheda ngizihleka. Ngiyabonga guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela ukuthi nisubscribe abangasubscribe abasabukela bayabhinja niyabhinja ngisho binge watch whatsoever. Ngicela ukuthi ni subscribe ehle ngibe ko 20,000 for subscribers. Yes, ngicela. And then abapha ama advices abatype good comments saying ralebohathe haholo, like your help nabanceda abantu nini alazi, but mina ngiyakhona ubona ukuthi bathula bathuza and abafasi nina yazi nasihamba igodi nasihamba isigodi. Le ndaba le yayi lunch bar abafazi abaningi so bathi bayayazi le ndaba le, like ba experience this thing lena mara nyanisaba abafazi nezinye izinto nasizokuka singakazibonanga singakazi experienceanga nasi yey. And the sad part is that labantu laba abangale parking golfing, like batrapper abantu besifazana abaningi and bayuza abantu besifazana abaningi. One thing that I've realized ukuthi abantu abaningi abeze ku abang inboxile like abadlule the same experience as usisi, and abantu abaningi lo bhuti lo ebengikhuluma ngaye la abantu abaningi bayamazi. Hayi shem abuthi umashayo, it's only 666 land. Yeke ngibhalela ubhuti lana ukana ukhitsima ngothi bobani oyena katsheni munyana mhlahasi ngibhalele loyo ke baba Rainbow nabo bona LGBTQ something ngibhalela uye ke ubhuti ngibhalela awusoze ngelekenze ko nkingeni nisifake nkingeni. And now it's very hard to take myself out. It was easy for me to get in, but now it's very difficult to take myself out. So to put so to Leo, ne? Only what I was choosing, I was young, kid student demo, kifitla fresh from Komahayeng. Okay, I was bubbly from high school, mundo blab, o bubbly velo. Zombona velo savela likte no like ngena kachino ngena mtlahas. Umbona. So uti like I was loud, mankuluma like matsoho, like I can tell my the walk. Like you'll see me guti lo agasi lo team li udlalela enye team yabona uthi okay sharp ke moya like vele ke na university first year university I vele kube na this guy utsama guy very beautiful car ang approach ut like I was walking from ngibe ma shop so mangihamba okay vele angikhulumisa hi how are you fine and how are you igama lakho bani uthi vele ngikhulume vele ngithi ingiliyo, but like ibele this facial expression or I don't want to talk to you, you are just a stranger and angifuni ukuzifaka enkingeni because aketsebe batho mgawute aketsebe batho ikilo. Okay, no problem. Uthi ayuphuthi vele athi I can see uthi uyangisaba, but I've been noticing you lately and ibengathanda ukuthi mina na one day like iritsebane better ubani sikhulume nje mina now sibe a conversation. Uleo was like, you know what, I'm rushing somewhere, I cannot speak to you now, but singakhuluma if ever you do have time. Ngobuthi yangibona each and every day shu yangazi ukuthi uzongithola if you want to talk to me yabona. Ule uthi okay sharp ngi continue vele ngokho uthi solo amile lapha yana uthi ngifeel ukuthi labantu laba bangazi bangitshonje kila bona, so like lina kyaphapha why can't ski motor like one tsebo re tlo ngreka yabona. Uthi ayingokhe ngibele vele la ngihlala khona eres or awushoze kudlule 2-3 days umuntu vele avele ngemoto. Uthi awumangokha ngibone imoto ngifanise kahle ukuthi this car ile moto leyana lo bhuti. Uthi ayingokhe very slow uthi vele approach very slow naye approach afike vele ayihlise iwindow athi Leo or lewa if ke batlo bole bona ngikatla ke nna okitlile yabona. Uthi vele ngifile somehow about uthi like ke abuti like mina leso sikhathi uthi uthi leso sikhathi mina was 19 years old and then ubhuti bekana 32 by then. so to put 1 month see to Eric Leno Eric yeah okay about Eric at I just want to speak to you man ngicela ukuthi ngikhulume nawe whatever ngifeelayo ngawo yabona uthi ule uthi ke bathekele tswalo oshows like abuti wambethise letswalo to extend ukuthi ngithi you know what as let's set a date kusasa or tomorrow I think the whole weekend so let's set a date kusasa sihlangane like a restaurant I will come there excuse me sihlangane khona then sizokhuluma yabo sharp uthi Eric at okay name the place mina I will pay because I know student awu Eric uthi vele ngisho vele indawo uzana la vele ngihlala khona ngazi ukuthi if anything happens banyana bakiphela ngilebona bakhona ufonela amapholisa cause singibathipile yabona uthi okay sharp hayi ilanga lishone the following day bahamba vele bahlangana uthi the following day ngikhuluma fast the following day vele uthi sihambe vele siyohlangana uthi mele masifala phana vele ngithole yena already vele safikile cause sithe isikhathi already nafile uthi no problem awushozi akuthi vele abuwelina ampots or like I loved you this first day go bona the way ukhuluma ngakhona the way you walk personality yakho like unali that light nje like uyiranzatsila motor likhanye ukubona ebelil said yabona uthi awushozi like being frightened like uthi nomuntu ongaka ona 32 like mina 19 like ubona ngongwane yabona or neknal that thing umuntu and you can see gore bophelo ba ga well organized so onyaka ngongwane ngesikolo yabona uthi ngimbuza ukuthi like ke into oyibatla ngikona because I'm still young and mina ngisaqala ufika lana I've got nothing to offer yabona so like ubatla uthi vele ngibe straightforward ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi umuntu lo usengani yabona utleka uri ubatla reka mona ubatla ngibuza onya koratana lena or something uthi vele ubuza athi no ngiyakuthanda like ngiyakuthanda kakhulu ngiyarata and I was hoping that you can give me a chance uthi awushoza ubhuti athi ngiyakuthanda and I was hoping ukuthi you can give me a chance nami like to prove the love that I have for you, to prove myself to you ukuthi uzogcina ube ku safe space mawucabanga safe space ucabange mina like give your friend give like your partner your man your everything yabona uthi ngimbuza ukuthi awunamfazi because like the way ule well put together kubona la ngathi like unomfazi awunamsadi ukhasusa ke mangu ayina like mangu yabantu things like that uthi vele ngimbuza I was like no I live alone ngihlala kuma apartments I don't have a house I'm renting ngiyasebenza yes but I cannot like a life partner I don't have one so and now it doesn't mean ukuthi ngifuna a life partner I want someone engapushana isikhathi for time being because like you are young I don't think ukuthi ngathi ungaba i-life partner yami uthi like abe director abe street lena amport or I was choosing it you know what I will think about it then I communicate ka phone uthi hi brothers abhadale ibill athi imbathi ngakuphi lift na or I was just sitting on moto like the way I clean and come fresh ka thing I can get something uthi no ngizohamba ngezinyawo don't stress uthi hi vele brothers ahambe or I was choosing motsele ngizibuthi like ngenze njani phela umuntu lo unemali and mina ngizelana shem ngizicokile impahla zami vele ze network global so like abuto akangenza ko styling kaba fresh global what I shows I'm light in complexion and ngislender so like lo bona like ezinye izimpahla mangizicokile like asingifiti kahle because of ngizokolo high ngileba sinang everything so whatever abayithengile ngiy appreciate but like as style asikisibatlanga so ngisize mangibona ubhuti ngicabanga lo bhuti lona angangiphushela to has guys ngiphethwe Alsa SS Oleo awusuze masihlukana nalomuntu lo vele ngamupha inamba yami uthi hayi ucaleke lapho sicala ke sisa text ke sisa sexta siya texta siya sexta yabo uthi vele iqale kanjalo indawo yami no Eric iqale kanjalo Eric vele kube umuntu vele ukhomisa ukuthi no uba serious kilobona uthi isicoce kube umuntu ukuthi seyadlula vele amalanga vele athi kimi athi no I need you to come over to my place as a visitor for a weekend Eric I was akina moto and I'm new here I'm trying to make friends or phela potso bo balance so I was like okay if ngizoba nomuntu la and umuntu decent onalengichelete like it's fine maybe like uyozonceda ukuthi impilo yami ibalance yabona or I was just ngipakere overnight back ubrother sivele azazongipick up uthi vele marifika vele lahla la khona or like a decent or ke penthouse gabotse as a apartment wabona uthi kuhle ku smart I was choose everything it's white come on at honka fresh or about wa pele oxtail wa pizza Or I was just like really like candlelight dinner. I put like at like those soft weights. Or I was just kube ukuthi vele mina noGuy vele siyazwana kuba mnandi, or I was just ufika isikhathi sokuthi vele sise ngubeni, or I was just hayi vele ngicale ngithi noma ngicela ukugeza cala, or I was just ke preparing myself for if ever ke lo bona go ba to the next level ke be ready yabona uthi hayi vele ngigeze ngibe fresh ke kuri ukuthi singithole already sasisengubeni. Uthi guys isikhathi singayenzi next day all night kube ukuthi siyaqoqa life goals, see what you want to do in everything stuff like that. Hayi kusekuseni ukayazanga ngenze next week we didn't even kiss but siyathandana but siyakhona ukusextana ngifoni yabona. Uthi no problem. Oh sorry ngizini hayi uthi vele the following day ube umuntu ukuthi vele siyaphuma radin savele siyahamba siya ku outdoor activity kuba mnandi awusijose kuba mnandi ngithi mina today I'm leaving at no sleep man ilanga lokugcina kubona like robala labo fail ngiyako ubona okay no problem. Uthi hayi vele sibuye ntambama sibe ntambama already besidlile ngigeze ubrother sivele naye ageze like nakere kubo or awusijose kungayenzeki next isinkubeli kungayenzeki next like robale the following day ekuseni mvuke vele ngeze ngithi no I need to go back, I need to go. Why ubrother sangabe nenkinga brother sivele angikhaphe mangihlike emotweni amphe 1000 rand arno ukareka lunch. What else was ngizibuza umuntu lona like ka phone like efonini like unromela notes uyirang so now ngehlile live there is nothing happening global ngizibuza ukuthi ngora kanjani and nami ngisabe ukungibuza because of phela umuntu guy older than so like ezinye izinto like ngoba like these things are new uglobal nami ngisathi uthi ngithule hayi vele ngihamba vele ngendini. Or I was just how like late before late the very same day mara very late angiwatsapele athi do you want to see so to skanconco kwakhe yabona uthi uGuy vele ngiri I want to see him yabona or angirika snap ngirva ngisithombe uthi ngimbuza ukuthi why lesa sikhathi mangisendlini like usikanzonzo beka ngasebenzi what's going on uthi ngibuza uGuy. So Guy was like no like this thing I'm still getting to know you so angarashanga like if ever nikele motho ke batla ngo taste and go bengizoyenza everything that night so like I can rush anyway so I still have the time in the world when okay sharp all right conversation continue sextana stuff like that one. Uthi vele indlule 2 months indlule without us seeing each other actually like sibonana physically indlule uthi how like WhatsApp and phone but umuntu wonke ngithi why don't you come and see me at no I was still busy on something else but after everything is settled and then I'll come and take uzovakasha okay sharp. Uthi guys like ngisibuza ukuthi umuntu lo or unomfazi uphela double life but lesikhathi ngilapha endaweni nakhe like asanga ngibona anything umuntu wesifazane but oh le ndawo le beyirented for weekend ase black hair uthi Eric angifonele I was just at I'm outside I would like to talk to you about something else can you please come outside yabona uthi asangifonele prior ukuthi no ngizuza lapho yini uthi hayi ngingaphandle athi kimi you know what grab izinto ongazidinga for a night and then sihambe ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe kahle but ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe last comfortable khona endlini uthi hayi ngimile move ngithatha izinto vele overnight bag yami ngihle vele no Eric vele I drive uthi like along the way ne like bekathulile like asumuntu lo yokhulumayo angithephisha ngilefa silihodi bekathulile like along the way or I was sure masifika vele endlini or mangena vele endlini konka like mpepho like something like muthi uthi ngithi abona umsebenzi abaphansi wangathi unuka like kunuka inhlama like inhlama yini kunuka inhlama like konkhali limpepho uthi ngimbuza ukuthi ubona umsebenzi abaphansi yini na uthi repeated the same question. Okay, I was like no I was busy with something else so ungawari ngizo explain ukuthi kahle what's going on yabona uthi ngithi kuye ngithi mina ngilambile thothi uthi mangilanda abantu uphekile namuhla ungawuphekelanga why. Okay, I was like no you can order in it's fine uthi hayi ngifone vele ngorder in ukudla or I was just very like uyanuka like unukuhlabalala ngikhajwa laba sethu yeah kunuka like nithini umqombothi yeah umqombothi like nempepho yabona so ufila ngathi like uzofila ngathi bekunomsebenzi yabona like something like that uthi awungiyambuza ukuthi kanti Eric, what's going on kahle kahle, cause like off angizwisisi ukuthi yini into off, or have I done something to you wrong na? Or Eric was like, no, and there is nothing that you did wrong, but I just need to talk to you about le nto ngizokhuluma nawe ngayo. Yabona athi hlala phansi, but awushozi nakho eudisho sakalifihlile vele kyatsha. So uthi ukayangitshela ukuthi no, sho ukuthi amabhizinisi la ngiwaranayo, so business abengahambi kahle recently, so someone wangirecommendela someone ukuthi uzonceda ku-business. So loyo muntu loyo wabe sewuyanginceda ke ukuthi ibhizinisi yami iphaphame, because business yami vele beyiya phansi, like be-decline na business nje on my side. So ngaya ngiyofuna usizo, so they gave me something ukuthi iposte ibhizinisi yami. So that's something ingapha kule calabash. But uthi calabash like was on top of the table, so ingapha kule calabash. So I need you to come and stay over here, so that if ngihambile ngebusiness you can be able to take care of lento leyo la calabash. So bengidinga ukuthi kahle kahle i-relationship yethu ibe to the next level, like ube my real partner, ube partner yakhe yamontlungu le ho ya sekolo ngotlogela o le montlungu o nne montlungu, nabe na re be together from now on, so that if business yami iyandondobala when you're next to me ikhulobona. What else was ngithi like yini le kule calabash, uthi mina mangibheka le ku calabash like utlethe like le role like like mushilo yini lokhu kumnyama nikubiza ini, like if she says something then kuba na this black stuff, mushilo ke mushilo king yona leyo man. Yabona uthi ngibona lokho angiboni like anything else, uthi ngithi kanti ngizobheka ini cause la ngapha kuna le mulora, ubona asimlora man, lora i-ash kuna lubush ni something lena leyo into leyo yabona. So uthi athi kimi athi no, uzoyibona in due time. So now I want you to understand, like if ever you want to be in my life, I want to understand the consequences la azokwenzakalela. So the only thing I need from you right now, Uti, are you in or are you out? If you're in, tell me so that we can go back to your place. Because like if ever you are out, you should know what's in our relationship, because I need someone who's over nami 24/7. I need someone who's over nami, who's over in kulentule ngicalayo ukuthi if izinto zami zipope lo muntu lona next to me. Or awusuze ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo uphumile edlaleni, yabona userious, and intwele ngokhalabhashi akiboni, but yena or ithing uyabona. So like yena umeli go ahead yami ukuthi ngiyavuma or ngiyala. Or awusuze ule or awusuze urata dilo ke sepi and urata shortcut in life ke bobi felo ka birang bophelo ba gago, or ngavuma ke ukuthi no ngizoza ngizohlala nawe la. Athi okay athi tomorrow upheke izinto zakho zonke, mina will come and fetch you. Or awusuze ke pake dilo tsaka ke laele mone ke lula gona ngame ngiyohlala ka Eric. Uthi awusuze uthi mangifika Eric first night mangifika mina ngicabanga ukuthi phela re tlo dira taba ele kilona, because since we are dating we haven't done taba ela ya batho ba gole nkonzo se kamareng asanke. Uthi athi kimi athi before everything else ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi lento le engapha ku calabash isithwalo, and isithwalo sifuna young guys. So bengicela mina ukuthi kube uzofunela ama young guys lawo engizokhona ukuthi azongena kule ritual soyenza. Ake batlo yidirisa wena motho waka, because of I love you, I don't want to destroy your life. So wena ngoba you're young and university student ngakhona like uku scout labafana laba bakhona ukuzala. Uthi awusuze ampe like container na ngidipilisi at whenever uba umngane na this person like uba umngane nomuntu like a gay person athi ubalethe la kube ngathi like you live here, uba khomise this life like staying untare, and then bahlale nyala until late ubatshela ukuthi uzoba ubarela uhlale nabo uchile nabo, and then umshalele this pills ka harha juice or anything offerang yona gore nna ke khono uza ke ngizoyenza naye. Or awusuze day one mayenzeka this thing like I thought ukuthi izoyenzeka once and ngeke saphinde yenzeke. Uthi hayi ngihlangane na this guy, uthi already besiling formal like ama friendships ku campus yabona. So uthi hayi I met up with this guy, sakhuluma ngithi hayi no ubuzongivakashela ngihlala khona. ayogayavuma si-uber siye lapho uthi masifika sichile vele awushuzi ngiginyele itablet likahara juice or it was around 5 p.m. hayi ngifake itablet ubujuice hayi siyaxoxa umuntu vele abe drowsy I'm not feeling well ngithi ayilala la esofeni lala esofeni uzavuka or awushuzi angakutshela ukuthi uguy eza makafika wakhipha enye indwangu ered wansa indwangu ered wandlala phansi wakhipha ikhalabash wayibeka phansi so uguy wanted to just part of some twirling unconscious. I was like, no, I'm not going to be part of that. If ever you want us to do this thing, please asiyenze yena lo muntu avumile, even if ngamubhale please, but asiyenze yena lo muntu avumile ukuthi uyakufuna lokho. So I cannot be part of this. But I protected that guy ukuthi bangamenzi whatever bekafuna ukumenza uEric. Uthi Eric wakwata. I can't do what's the reason ukuthi uzohlala na if uzongipha terms and conditions. Phela ntwe ibatlantu and like this person ude. So uthi bele ngalikwata nami ngathi no you can't. Ngicela ukumkhapha ahamba ahlala yakhona. Yamazi lo muntu engiphile naye no you can't. Yabona. So Rashus kibone more Eric like onalpelempe like ufuna ukwenza lento lena lo muntu angasiboni ukuthi umenzile and lo muntu abantu mavuka kusena avuka endweni ibhlungu no I can't and uzwazi ukuthi wenze yini yabona. So ngithi ku Eric ngithi you know what rather mina abantu ngibatshela ukuthi there is someone umdala ofuna someone ukuthi angalala naye ngibatshele like kube strategy sethu ukuthi ngizowanikeza amaphilisi because I can see ukuthi la maphilisi lawo azofaka mina now engozini because labantu laba mangasola bahamba bayovula case sothini yabona. But awushows ibe kanjalo ke indaba uthi each and every time approach vele umuntu again ngiyamtshela ke ukuthi there is this man ofuna uzokupha imali but obatla siphathe sahawu. So if ever when you're willing we can go endlini and then do whatever you want to do no muntu lo nalena kupha imali uthi bakhona abavumile voluntarily so because of bafuna imali or awusho sihambe ngithole first person sihambe yini masifika lapha uthi uguy undlala the red cloth le indlala like pants and then thatha le calabash ubeka next to them and then like ufuna mina like kuba ngake red 3 angishangifuna ukuthi ivideo mbayi flag or something kuba ngathi siku 3 yabona yona le eqedelela but mina I'm not doing anything or akangenzi anything mina I'm just there nje spectator or referee or king akitsebi ke bogetse fela motho ba itsa dilo ba fetsa but le calabash needs to be there la phezulu le long ebong naye nalo muntu ayenza naye. But awushozi this thing kube khona naba no gas scout abashimani gas scout even straight guys they come there or immediately after ira whatever ira unsa 10,000 wabafaka cash immediately or like abanye abantu ubabona ukuthi bayenza out of greed motho o akasi akafuni into ngithini yazi ngifuna ukuba decent umuntu lo muntu lona sele after line straight but because of chelete batlamula babayitse uthi awushozi like angazi ukuthi ngibukele abantu abo more than 100 abayenza lo muntu lo mina akangenzi nothing akayenzi nami next nanoma singaba yithuna noma singabakhuze sofeni akangenzi nothing or awushozi ke lapile ke bophelo bo akithi boro ngatswa jwang because each and every time angithi ngithi ish naya khalela ukuthi na one time ungenze njani ngalabantu laba athi no linda ngana lesithwalo sindlule and then nalona require which means ukuthi lesithwalo sakhe asifoni mina but sifuna mina ukuthi ngisi-assist. So ngiyamtshela ngithi you know what lena like I've got those needs or ke batlang gore di fulfill someone else. So now when I ubatle ke tse jwang uthi guy was like no you can find someone outside but ngisinayila endlini niyenze outside ngingaboni mina and then come back la endlini alright. So I was just get ukuthi motho onrata jwang if adumela gore ke etse whatever iketsa. And number 2 I was choose motho o etsa batho ba in front of me akafoni ngithi ngiyazifihla gore ngekamera uyongibiza athi imalapho bheke ukuthi ngenzani uthi uzoyenza whatever yenza nakelebelethi. What I was I've tried packing my bags ngithi ngiyahamba kuba ngathi khona into engifasile kuloya muzi ake khona utsamaya traumatized angisangeni nesikolo singidrope out isikolo because of ke scout abana the whole day ke scoutela motho le ngiready for chelete we I was chelete wamva but I'm no longer enjoying any of this money I'm fine on because of I know ukuthi fanele ukuthi ngibe lapho ke bukhelele ukuthi snacks azenzayo. And after that, like, you'll be so happy. Uzongicabuza athi ya waseba mdimo umfile wena natse hore mdimo natse ba hore wa ya utlisa bophelo ngibaka. Or I was just like, I'm so tired. Ngikhathele angisayifuni lempilo lena, but I'm there, I cannot leave. Uthi ngifile ukuthi lo muntu lo ungifase ngomuthi angikhona wami, uthi ngizapheka amabheki ne ngithi mina ngiyahamba, I'm done with this life. Uthi angeke ngize ngiphume ngaloyo mnyango, ngiyapheka kuphela, but ukuthi ngihambe ngeke ngize ngihambe. Uthi there is something engifasile kuleya ndlu, ngifila ngathi ke sixoxwane sagage, because each and everything ayibatla ngayetha, sengiyawasha endlini yimi ngiklina yimi ngiphekayo, everything like ikele ngimsadi wakwale, but umsadi osahwethe ndi benefits, only benefit ikikra ngichelete. So uliye uthi ngibhala so ngibuza ukuthi should I stay lana or ngihambe, but into engizohlunga ukuthi ekhaya sengiyafihla ukuthi ngidropile out and ngibatshela ukuthi ngiyasebenza because I'm sending them money. So ngifile ukuthi futhi mangiyohamba lana imali ngithatha kuphi ukuthi ngithumele baseyithi, because angisebenzi. I told him ukuthi angiphi umsebenzi la kulama company wakhe, but akabathi. The only thing I'm finding on chelete fela, and after ungipha imali, maybe ungipha ilump sum after iskashanyana, because of I think ukuthi mina in my mind now mangibheke ngibona ngathi ngisebenzisa sakhe in a way, but yena akafuna ukungikhomba ukuthi ngisebenzisa, because if ever ngilethela maybe 3 or 4 people in a month, like kuyajabula ngiphi imali eningi. But if ever lithola ukuthi leso sikhathi leyo nyanga ngithola umuntu owana, ngibathola abantu abangafuni ukuthi azoba yenza into abafuna ukuyenza, akangiphi imali, ungiphi imali encane. So ngifila hore ke gola phe client ona no ka scout and ke gola phe client. If ever bana 5-6 yabantu uyajabula ngiphi imali serious. So I can say I'm trapped in this life and I'm tired. Or I was choosing a greeting letter today, number 1. Number 2, ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngiba depressed day by day ngiba depressed to see umuntu obojela ukuthi umuntu wakho akhumula abangqono nomunye umuntu bayenze whatever bayenzayo, and then ajabule from there, kube ngari like achievile something big, and then ajike aqabuza kubonge nje kuphela asahwetha silo. Or I was just I'm tired ukuba isicila salomuntu lona, ngikhathele but angikhona ukuphuma, ngenze kanjani. I'm tired, I want to live this life, I'm done. Ay thina sazi sha. Oh, iphana uLeo iadvice too.